project engineer for the Mojave Dam Inlet Repair Project, which is happening behind me now. I'm a civil engineer located out of the High Desert Area Office with the Los Angeles District of the Corps. We are out at the Mojave Dam. We're checking on the Mojave Dam Inlet Repair Project that's going on behind us now. We're just checking on construction. So a few years ago, there was a flood that pushed a bunch of debris back into this inlet, and then there was a fire that caused a lot of damage to the concrete in the inlet. On the wing walls, you can still see a significant bit of damage, but on the head wall, that is what this project is focused on. So we're chipping off about 3.5 inches of concrete, and then we're gonna go in and repair it with shotcrete. Right behind is a coffer dam, and the purpose of that is to control some of the water flow that's coming in here. So essentially, this is man-made temporary dam, damming up the water, and then they have a conduit, which you can see in the middle, and that's redirecting the flow through the inlet out into the other side, so you don't have to deal with a couple of inches of water down at the base of the inlet. And this project, the period of performance on it was roughly 2 years. And the reason for that is because we have environmental concerns. There's a few different species, but one of them is a frog that mates and breeds in this area, and so we had to wait until the end of that breeding season before we could touch any of the area here. I've been with the Corps for a little over 2 years now. I started with the intern program for 2 years where I rotated out through several different sections. I actually started in Tulsa District and moved out to Los Angeles about 1.5 years ago, and I just recently became a permanent employee with the High Desert Area Office about 3 months. I heard about the Corps while doing research for job fair, just looking through different companies that we had at the job fair. I wasn't even really aware of the Corps or what all they did prior to the job fair. Once I started doing research, I realized the expansive amount of work that the Corps does through both military and civil, and I just became really interested in it. I think it's cool to realize how much the federal government does for citizens through flood control projects. Part of my rotation through the intern program, I rotated through dam and levee safety and did a lot of dam inspections, levee inspections, and to the average citizen, you don't realize how much goes into protecting the overall population, and we're just out here looking out for everyone's safety. So it's rewarding in that sense. I'm Sarah Coles, and I am the Corps.